So this sound is the shaking of the ground, which was recorded by the seismometer. It is not really the sound, these are the ground acceleration, but we speed up the signal 44 times in order to make a sound. And then this sound is the largest Marsquake we recorded on this planet, and it is also the largest quake recorded by the InSight mission. The magnitude of this quake is not so large compared to the very large earthquake. It is a magnitude a little bit less than 5, 4.7, and which basically means that it is 3 magnitudes smaller than the very large quake. So 3 magnitude is something like 100,000 times smaller. And we have been able to record the quake at a distance of 2,250 kilometers because we have a very, very sensitive instrument which is able to detect the vibration of the ground not larger than the size of an atom. So therefore we have something extremely precise, very sensitive, and this is why we can detect the quake at this distance. So this seismometer was built in France. It was built by IPGP, a French company called Sodern, with the support of CNES. And it took us a lot of years to make it. So we started the design in the middle of the 90s. We have tried to put it on project in 2000, 2010. And in 2010, we finally were selected with the Jet Propulsion Laboratory to put it on Mars. This sensor has 3 pendulum, working like this. And when the ground is shaking, we have the pendulum which start to move like this. And we detect the vibration of the pendulum with a resolution of something like 10 picometer, which is really a tiny fraction of an atom. In some way, a quake is like a bulb of light, and this light we call seismic waves. They go inside the planet, and therefore they illuminate the interior of the planet, and then we record the signal with a seismometer. At the end, we get a picture of inside. We know we are able to see the crust, discontinuity with the mantle, which is located at something like 20 kilometers deep beneath the InSight landing site. We have even been able to see the core of the planet. We are there almost since 2 Martian years, but we had some issue with the deposition of dust on the solar panel. So day after day, we get less and less energy from the sun on the solar panel. And unfortunately, probably this fall, we will not have energy enough to continue to operate the mission, and the mission will likely stop.